Ka Nongstoiñ Social Service Society kala Pynlong ya ka Jingpynshai Paidbah Halor ka Biodiversity Fair kam Plant Genetic Resource Awareness Program kabalawan lingba ka Northeast Hill Scheme kabalabay tingka da ka ICAR lingba ka tanat NBPGR Regional Station Chelong. Kiladon palachis pangut kinong rep jong ka Eastern West KHASI Hills District bana kiwe ki district kibalawan nation banta ha kane ka Jingpynshai Paidbah. Nakaliang ka ICAR, lingba ka NBPGR, kalasam ya kato ka ne kitiar rep, kum kiklong spray dawai, kitupya, kipalabat kiwe-kiwe siya kinong rep.
Ministries of the Government of India are having a special funds for this, and being NBPGR being the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, our major emphasis is to benefit the farmers, direct benefit to the farmers somehow, and also listen to their problems, reach to them to show them that we are with them, and whatever help is required from the scientists, from the ICR, from the Government of India, we are always with them.
These are the varieties which we require for breeding new varieties like Ranjit. These varieties